Welcome back to Brick by Brick. Today we're going to be going over Lego Microfighters and whether or not I consider them to be a good addition to your investing portfolio. Currently in my investing collection, I have this set right here, which is Lego set 75298. It's the AT-AT versus Tanatom Microfighter set. And then I also have 3 of these right here, the Lego Millennium Falcon Microfighter. Here they are. And I think that these are all going to be pretty great investments. The reason I don't have too many of them is because they are generally really small sets, and if you have a bunch of money into Lego and maybe not as much time, it generally isn't worth it to buy a bunch of small sets. You probably just want to buy bigger sets. Though you may not make as good of an ROI, it's going to involve far less work. But if you're just getting started into Lego investing and you're hoping for a cheap way to get into the Lego investing market, then these offer a great way to do that. As of recording, this set is an option to invest in, and you can also get the Legostarwars Mandalorian ship as a starfighter thing as a microfighter. And I think that they're going to be pretty great investments. I could easily see this one and the other microfighter sets doubling in value year after it retires. The previous microfighter sets have done pretty well, and they've also featured very iconic builds and great characters. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and thank you.